With increased reliance on electricity to power our daily lives, electric utilities globally are facing challenges in how they operate and maintain their networks. For more than a century, S&C Electric Company has helped utilities reduce their long-term operations and maintenance costs and make significant improvements in grid reliability, safety, and resilience. The electric grid of the future is being imagined and engineered at S&C, and we invite you to come see it. Our world headquarters in Chicago offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience to see how S&C helps keep the lights on and how we build and innovate grid solutions. S&C's Product Demonstration Center tells the story of how smart grid and microgrid technology are helping customers by reducing power outage frequency and duration. These unique experiences make complex engineering simple to understand and share with others. Visitors can also operate a large variety of S&C's switching, protection, and control equipment for education, training, or simply for the hands-on experience. S&C's headquarters also is home to our Nicholas J. Conrad Laboratory, the largest short-circuit testing laboratory in both North and South America. With two 850-megawatt electrical short-circuit test generators that can test up to 100 kA and up to 230,000 volts, the laboratory allows S&C to innovate faster by testing new technology in our own backyard. From raw steel to finished product, visitors can also see manufacturing in action. As a recognized leader in lean manufacturing, S&C's operations show how our unwavering focus on safety and quality are applied in every aspect of our work. This includes how the latest in robotics, automation, and advanced machining are used to keep S&C ahead in a competitive worldwide market. Visiting S&C is a valuable opportunity to learn, share, and better understand why power reliability is so important for our future. Contact your local S&C sales representative and plan a visit today. We look forward to hearing from you.